the jungle's heart I roam. Found a cone of pure delight, twirling flavors one by one. Sugar rush in the moonlight, banana split with sprinkles on. Elephant's trunk, holding tight, danced in circles all night long. Happy feet in colors bright, ice cream dreams from midnight beams. Savannah skies so sweetly gleam. Elephant scoop a tasty theme, adventures call in every stream.
Swirls of mint and bubble gum, found a friend in each new taste. Chasing shadows till the dawn, didn't let a drop go waste.
All the jungle animals cheer, trunk up high, they draw near. Fruit and nuts, candy clear, elephant joy through the atmosphere. Ice cream dreams from midnight beams, Savannah skull in every scream.